Yo, 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 how's everybody doing today? It's been a good 2 weeks around there, but like I did say, we are gonna upload, I would say, probably one video every 1 or 2 weeks. 2 weeks is like the longest. Um, been doing a lot of stuff and productive, obviously. You already know what's up. Um, just keeping everything in track, you know what I mean? Um, Everything has been going pretty good, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. We have a lot of stuff coming up this year, especially. I have a lot of goals I want to do. I have a lot of stuff that I want to do this year. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but every year my eyes open more and more, like, to my potential and to, like, the stuff that I could actually accomplish. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't know. Every time I, like, reflect back on the year just to see, like, how everything played out. And yo, yo, we are chilling, bro. We are chilling. Welcome back. If you guys don't know, my name is Jay. I'm here to teach you guys about stocks. I used to do actually, um, we did like a beginner's course. I'm gonna pop it up right now. So we already finished this. This was level one. Um, wait, with what the actual fuck are stocks, and I did discuss like literally everything you guys need to know about stocks. I would say. Um, we discussed literally everything. We broke it down, simple context, I would say. And now it's like the level two of it. It's like, now I'm in it. What do I do? How do I start? Like, actually getting the bread. Um, this is level two, intermediate. If you guys are new here, I would probably suggest leaning more towards watching the videos about this. And you guys could just go to my channel and just scroll a little bit back, and you guys will definitely find it. Um, but welcome back, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing good. I hope you guys are all productive. You know, I hope you guys have your goals written down, doing it step by step. Always remember that it's not about how fast you get to the goal. It's like taking time to always enjoying the process, I would say. But welcome back. So, technical analysis, right? What is what Wait, what is technical analysis? Like, I just don't know what that is. Help me out, cause what is that? Nah, so I'm gonna get like I always do. I love getting the Google definition, and then I like breaking it down. So let's just gotta be this. Let's just break this down a little bit. I'm just gonna copy this whole thing too, cause it says key takeaways. So we'll just copy that. I'm gonna read the whole thing too. Okay, so technical analysis is a trading discipline employed to evaluate investments and identify trading opportunities by analyzing statistical trends gathered from trading activities such as price movement and volume. Unlike fundamental analysis, which attempts to evaluate a security's value based on business results such as sales, earnings, technical analysis focuses on the study of price and volume. Interesting. Did you understand that? If you did, fire. If you didn't, it's alright. I'm here to teach you guys. And I'm gonna also read this on top of that, and I'm gonna just break everything down. So it says technical analysis is a trading discipline employed to evaluate investments and identify trading opportunities in price trends and patterns seen on charts. Technical analysis is believed past trading activity and price changes of a security can be valuable indicators of the security's future price movements. Technical analysis may be contrasted with fundamental analysis, which focuses on a company's finances rather than historical price patterns or stock trends. That was a lot of information. If you guys didn't understand it, that was pretty fire. But I'm just gonna break that into a simple context. So pretty much, technical analysis is just a trading discipline, right? And by trading discipline, they just mean like I would say it's just like another strategy. I would say so. Like it's another strategy. I'm gonna put this on a different thing. So I'm gonna put strat. So it's like a strat, basically, to evaluate investments. So basically to look at, and when they mean by investments, we were talking about like the shares. So like Apple, for example, like it's like the shares. So they'll look at the investments, aka stocks, and identify trading opportunities, and see trading opportunities by analyzing statistical trends. Basically, statistical trends is just like if they'll look at like the longer term, and they'll see if like a stock is going up, down, all around, whatever is determined. So it's a strat to look at stocks that are going up or down, right? And what they do is, like I said, they grab like the, what's the words for it? They grab like a whole bunch of data. So like I'm gonna show you guys right now. So they go like, I would say like by the weekly, or they'll go monthly, or they'll go even go by the years. They'll check like years ago to see how like the stock has been performing, and based off like the stock, the trend of the stock, they'll either get into play and they'll ride it up so the stock goes higher, or they'll bet the opposite where it goes down. And they also look at price movement and volume. So like I said in the last thing, volume basically is where it's like a war between buyers and sellers. You have buyers and sellers left and right, saying, do we believe in the stock? Do we want to buy into it? Do we want to sell the stock? And then price movement is obviously whether the stock is going up or down, right? Unlike fundamental analysis. Okay. So, like I said, technical analysis is just focuses on the study of price and volume. So, this is all that it focuses on. Just price and volume. That's it. That's literally all you need. Just price and volume, and then you are chilling. But it's also like something to help see like patterns, trends, and by patterns, I'm gonna show you obviously, but I spelled it wrong obviously. But we'll just see how quickly I can get it up. All right, so like this I'm gonna get into this later on. But like this is like an example. So like in obviously the stock market, there's like a bunch of patterns, trends. It's like a whole bunch of, I would say, that will help you and aid you to like determine where the stock is gonna go like in the future reference. Not obvious, you're not always gonna be 100% right or anything like that, but as long as you have like, obviously you examine everything else like price, volume, and then you examine like the pattern and see where it goes, you'll hit like where it goes eventually. Like you'll determine where the stock goes later on. But I'm gonna get into this later on because this is actually kind of a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie. When I was first learning these, I was like, what is this? But don't worry about that. We're right now just focusing on what technical analysis is and what it does. Technical analysis believe past trading activity and price changes of a stock can be valuable indicators of a security's future price movements. So what the second bullet point saying right here, the highlighted one, is basically saying like technical analysis, which is like people that like to trade stocks, they believe that past activities, so like a day, a week, a month, a year, they believe that all the activities from before and like the price changes when the stock goes up and down, they basically can determine the future price movement. So they just look at the past to determine the future. That's pretty much how it is. So I'm gonna just write this down in the third bullet point. So look at past to determine their, I'll just put future. And like that's like for a lot of, it's like how to describe this? It's like, let me see. You know when you look at a basketball's like a player's stats from before, and like you see how good they are, for example, and like they go in the game and it's like you already know what's gonna happen. Like alright, he's gonna hit probably like 15 3-pointers. Like you already know what's gonna happen basically. because you already examined the past. You see how this player has played in the past. Essentially, it's very similar to that, where it's like everybody, they examine the past, they see how it is, and then they could get like a similar play in the future, I would say. Um, but yeah, I would say, and then the last one is this technical analysis, maybe contrasted with fundamental activities. I said fundamental activities. Fundamental analysis was focused on company financials. Alright, so yeah, basically, technical analysis does not focus on information at all. Only math. Only data, only numbers. That's the only thing that this is focusing on. So you just look at numbers. You look at, like, for example, this is Apple. It's at 155 right now. So you just look at numbers. That's the only thing you're looking at to determine future reference. So I'm gonna just write this down. Determine future with numbers. Let me see. No, determine future with numbers and no information. So no information at all. So you don't need no type of information about the stock. So like I said before, in the beginning, like the beginner's friendly course, remember we discussed, like, when you look into a stock, you would, like, obviously research the company, look at information. If you want to become like a technical analysis and you just want to trade basically like off the math, it would be basically get rid of this and focus more on math, just to get the math what's the words for it? I'm choking right now. I would say just like to get like the future reference. I would say like the future basically. So this two types of traders, right? There's like the fundamentals, and then there's like the technicals. So fundamental people are like this. So fundamental traders are basically people that they do all this. They research the company, they put money aside, and then they invest in it, right? Then the technical traders are people that just look at stocks, look at trends, look at patterns, look at numbers, and look at price and volume, and then they determine if the stock is valid or not, pretty much. But I wanted just to break this down. Wow, 12 minutes. It's already getting kind of long, so hope you guys enjoy. But I'm gonna actually break down technical analysis even more in the next video. I say around 1 or 2 weeks tops. But hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, stock related, I'll definitely, just hit me up and I'll answer all your questions. But have a good one. Hope you guys enjoy, and peace.